quest to find your meaning. You went to see Yosemite at sunrise. The colors lit your soul on fire. Finally, you felt it burn. The Lord revealed His face. You were in your place. Yeah, you were, but I wasn't. That worked for you, but this doesn't for me, 'cause I thought we had something. Guess I was wrong, it doesn't end happily. So you should go back to Yosemite. We built our homes on separate rocks. Oh, silly me, that valley's much wider than I thought. I stretched a bridge to bring